what's up, y'all? I'm Erica Rasha, and welcome to my channel. I am all things small creators over here, and so I wanted to come and drop an app to y'all that I have recently been on. I've been on for about 2.5 weeks now, and it is called Clubhouse. Now, I'm in my car. This is different than my usual setup, so please work with me, but I felt like I just had to get this off my chest because I've been holding on to this gem for too long. Clubhouse is the app, and I think that if you are a small creator, any form of content creator, any form of entrepreneur, or whatever, you need to get on Clubhouse. You need to figure your way in. So what exactly is Clubhouse? It reminds me of something that's like live podcast that you can ask questions, right? Somebody explained it to me like this. They said it's live TED Talk where you can ask questions. And I 110% agree. It's a place where celebrities, entrepreneurs, creatives get online. They host these rooms and they have these bomb conversations. And they're dropping gems all day. I have learned so much from Clubhouse, and I've also been able to teach a lot on Clubhouse. So if you are on Clubhouse, please make sure that you follow me at Erica Rasha, like it is on all my platforms. Such a great space. I've been able to connect with so many people in the social media realm because that's what I'm in. And so like there's been so many other social media strategists that I've been able to connect with and gain genuine bonds with. And it's so crazy how like in just 2 weeks or whatever, you can feel like you know somebody like your whole life, like just from listening to them teach, right? I don't know. It's just really weird. But one of the perks to Clubhouse, I feel like it's just so genuine. It feels so genuine. You can just come as you are because there's no video. The only picture you have is your profile picture. You can learn whatever you want to learn or whatever, especially because right now the app is only invite. So it's invite only. So you have to know somebody to get on the platform. And it's just, I don't know, it just seems so real. So unlike all the other social media platforms, like it's so effortless, right? And the connections are literally genuine because you're just talking to these people. So it's like talking to strangers on the phone, but 9 times out of 10, y'all are like, they're educating you. Now there are like the back ends of Clubhouse where they be having like crazy stuff or just fun rooms. Like one of the rooms I was in, it was like Hamilton trivia, and y'all know I love Hamilton's. Ugh, that's I have to see it in person now that I've been binging it on Disney Plus since it came out. Say that to say that there are fun rooms that you can join. So one of the benefits for Clubhouse is I feel like it's a free space where you can just learn and network. And I think that is so important. 2, I would say I like the invite only aspect because it's not so saturated. Now, recently I've been seeing a lot of people from my contact list getting added on the Clubhouse. And I'm like, oh shoot, like are we about to lose the genuine and the realness of Clubhouse? Because now it just seems like everybody's starting to get on. I don't know, but I definitely love that aspect that's like invite only. So he's like, you got to know somebody. I'm in the know. I'm on the Clubhouse. And 3, I would say why you need to get on Clubhouse is, hear me out. This is about to sound like a con, but it's addicting. It's so fun. You can be on Clubhouse for hours. It's not one of those social medias where you have to be in the app to digest the content, right? So you can literally close it out and just listen to it like you would be listening to a podcast and only jump on the app when you have a question. Or like I like to do is be on the app and then I'll go look at people's Instagrams and stuff so that I can help them and give them feedback and things. So it's just a great tool. It's a great resource that y'all are downloading Clubhouse. Right now it is only for iPhone users. So if you have an iPhone, download Clubhouse, get on the wait list, hit up your friends, see if you can get an invite or whatever. Don't hit me up for an invite because I don't have them. But once you get on Clubhouse, please follow me and let's learn and drop jewels together, right? But if you are not on Clubhouse, please make sure that you go on and get on that invite list. Make sure that you follow me when you get on Clubhouse. It's at Erica Rasha. And also hit me up on Instagram and tell me what jewels you're getting because we need to share these free gems. And I'll be having a video coming up soon on how to use Clubhouse. And also, maybe I should do like a video of like the pros and cons of Clubhouse. I don't know, y'all. Let me know what y'all think down below. All right, that's all I got on what is Clubhouse. So make sure you check out these other videos on the screen. One I recommend and one YouTube thinks will be best for you. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and ask me any questions in the comments below. All right, see you then.